Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey of class 9th math from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Now today we discuss the some remaining question of exercise 13.5 related to the volume of cuboid and cube. Now the question number 8. Question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cube of equal value. What will be the side of new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface area. The side of solid cube, side of solid cube (12 centimeter). Then the volume of solid cube equal to side cube 12 cube 12 into 12. So we multiply 144 into 12, 8, 8, 2, 4, 4, 1, 8, 2, 7, 1. 1728 centimeter cube. When we know the side of cube, then we find the volume of a cube, side cube 12 cube and 12 multiply 12, that is equal to 1728 centimeter cube. Now the volume of one smaller cube is equal to 1728 upon 8 centimeter cube. 8 2 जा 16, 1, 8 1 जा 8, 8 6 जा 48 centimeter cube. The larger cube is divided into the 8 equal cubes. So volume of one smaller cube is equal to the 1728 upon 8, that's equal to 216 centimeter cube, and the volume of smaller cube equal to side cube, that 216 equal to side cube, and side is equal to cube root of 216, that's equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter is the side of a smaller cube. 6 centimeter is the side of a smaller cube. Clear? Now next ask to find the surface area. To find the surface area, find the ratio between their surface area. Find the ratio between their surface area. So the surface area of larger cube equal to 6 into 12 square. 6 into 12 into 12. And the surface area of smaller cube 6a square, 6 capital A square, 6 into 6 square, so 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter square. Therefore, the ratio of the surface area of both cube equal to 6 into 12 into 12 upon 6 into 6 into 6. So 4 upon 1, the ratio is equal to 4:1. The ratio of surface area is equal to 4:1. Clear? Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. A river 3 meter deep, H is equal to 3 meter and wide B equal to 4 meter, is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. Length L equal to 2 km, that's equal to 2000 meters. How much water will fall into the stream in a 1 minute? The volume of water flowing into sea in 1 hour equal to L into B into H, that's equal to 2000 into 4 into 3, 24 meter cube. So the volume of water flowing flowing into sea in 1 minute is equal to 24000 upon 60 meter cube. meter cube in 1 minute. In 1 minute, the water flow through in a sea is 400 meter cube. Now, the water is flowing in a river. The river is a deep, that is the height of the river, and the water flowing. The river is a wide, that is the breadth of the river, and the water flowing in a river, that is the length. Water flowing in a river, that is length. The speed of water in a river is 2 km/h. That is the length of a river is 2 km. So we find the volume of water flowing in a river in 1 hour. That is the length, breadth and height. So we get the result, length multiply breadth multiply height equal to 24,000 meter cube, and the volume of water flowing into sea in a 1 minute is equal to 400 meter cube in 1 minute. Clear? Thank you. The exercise be completed, and we start the new exercise 13.6. The exercise 13.6 is related to the cylinder. Now we find the volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h is the volume of a cylinder. So in this exercise we only find the volume of a cylinder, and also we find the in previous exercise the surface area, chord surface area, radius, and related to the surface area we also find in the previous exercise. So the volume of cylinder is related topics to the exercise 13.6. Now the question number 1. The circumference. Question number 1. The circumference of base of cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. The circumference of base is 132 centimeter and height equal to 25 centimeter. How many liter of water can it hold? 1 liter equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1000 centiliter cube. Now here the circumference of base is given. The circumference of base is given and the circumference of cylindrical part is a circular part. Circumference of base is given and the base is a circular part. So the circumference of base means the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter and r equal to 132 upon 2 pi 132 upon 2 into 22 by 7 and equal to 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 6 are 132 and 2 3 are 6, 21. So r is equal to 21 centimeter. The radius of circular part of base is 21 centimeter. Now we find the value of a cylindrical part when the height is given and radius is known. Value of cylindrical vessel is equal to pi r square x. Pi 22 by 7 r 21 into 21 into 25. 66 into 21 into 25. 25 525 into 66 650 centimeter cube. Now this value convert into the liter. The value of vessel in liter equal to 34650 upon 1000. That's equal to 34.650 liter. This is the capacity of cylindrical vessel. This is the capacity of cylindrical vessel to contain the amount of balloon 34.650 liter. Okay, thank you.